This 5-minute solution will show you how to give credit to music in YouTube videos. As you can see, I'm uploading a video to my YouTube channel, and here is my description box for the video. So I used music to my video, and now I will show you how I give credit to the music. To give credit, inside of this description box, you have to add this text. Write music, and here you have to write your music name. You can copy and paste your music title here. And now add background music provided by. Here you have to enter the YouTube channel link or URL and music promoted by. Also here you can add the YouTube channel link or URL, and this is how we can give credit to YouTube Music. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.